In this video, we are going to see how we can filter our data from Google Sheet. So this is one of the sample data set in Google Sheet, and here there are columns like A, B, C, D, and A column there are a couple of repetition of data. But I need to filter the data, like for example, this is A group, this is B group, and this way there are a couple of rows are there. So to filter that, we just need to select the column first, and then we have to click this filter icon, or we can go data and then we can choose this option, create a filter, and the filter will be applied automatically. Now it will not filter automatically on the data set. It will create the filter here, not the data. Now we need to filter the data. Now to filter data, we just need to click this three bar and it will expand like this way. Now it is showing like this type of filter. I want to filter data based on the group like this column header, not header, data set. So here we see different sets of data is there, everything checked by default. So at the to filter by value, basically at first we need to clear all the value. I'm going to press this button or link to clear everything. Now we need to choose one of the data set or group. Suppose I want to choose the geography group, so I have to select it and then a tick mark will be there. That means this group of data will be selected, and then finally we have to press the OK button to apply the filter. I'm going to press this OK button, and here we'll see all the data related to geography group will be displayed. So in this way we can easily filter our data in Google Sheet.